Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we'll be taking you behind the scenes to explore how technology shapes the film industry. From stunning CGI effects to motion capture and virtual production, technology has revolutionized the way movies are made, allowing filmmakers to create breathtaking visual experiences. Join us as we dive into the exciting ways technology is transforming the film industry. Lights, camera, action. Introduction to technology in filmmaking. Provide an overview of the impact of technology on the film industry, emphasizing its role in enhancing storytelling, creating immersive visuals, and improving production processes. Computer-generated imagery, CGI, effects. Explore the world of CGI effects, showcasing how computer-generated images and visual effects enhance movie scenes. Discuss the evolution of CGI and highlight iconic examples from films that push the boundaries of visual effects. Motion capture technology. Explain the concept of motion capture and its use in creating realistic character animations. Discuss how actors' movements are captured and translated into lifelike digital characters, bringing fantasy worlds to life. Virtual production. Dive into the world of virtual production, showcasing how filmmakers use advanced technologies like virtual sets, real-time rendering, and virtual reality to streamline production processes, create immersive environments, and enhance creative flexibility. Green screen technology. Discuss the use of green screen technology, also known as chroma keying, in filmmaking. Show examples of how green screens allow filmmakers to composite actors into different environments and create seamless visual effects. 3D printing in props and costumes. Highlight the use of 3D printing in the film industry, specifically in creating intricate props, costumes, and set pieces. Showcase how this technology enables filmmakers to bring unique and complex designs to life. High-speed cameras and slow-motion effects. Explore the role of high-speed cameras in capturing slow-motion sequences, adding dramatic effect to action scenes, and revealing details otherwise unseen by the naked eye. Showcase popular films that utilize this technology. Drone cinematography. Discuss the rise of drone cinematography and its impact on capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Show examples of how drones are used to film dynamic action sequences, stunning landscapes, and complex tracking shots. Augmented reality in filmmaking. Highlight the emerging use of augmented reality, AR, in filmmaking, including the integration of virtual elements into live action footage. Discuss how AR enhances the on-set production process, allowing directors and actors to visualize and interact with digital elements in real time. Future technologies in film. Wrap up the video by discussing the future of technology in the film industry. Touch on advancements in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and real-time rendering, and how these technologies will continue to shape the filmmaking process. Technology has undoubtedly transformed the film industry, enabling filmmakers to push the boundaries of creativity and storytelling. From CGI effects and motion capture to virtual production and augmented reality, technology plays a vital role in creating breathtaking visuals and immersive experiences for moviegoers. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how technology shapes the film industry. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more technology-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.